Ever wondered if some of those common health issues could be tackled naturally, right from your garden? Medicinal plants offer a wealth of health benefits. Today we'll explore a few of these botanical wonders you can cultivate and use right at home. Stay tuned to discover the healing power of nature. First on our list is the versatile aloe vera. This plant serves as a natural remedy for various skin conditions, soothing sunburns and healing minor wounds. Ingesting aloe vera can also aid in digestive health. Truly, aloe vera is a powerhouse of health benefits. Moving on, we have the refreshing peppermint. Known for more than just its invigorating flavor, peppermint aids digestion, soothes headaches, and boosts focus and energy. Imagine reaping these benefits through a warm, comforting cup of peppermint tea. Anyone? Next, we present the calming chamomile. Known for its soothing qualities, chamomile is a go-to for promoting restful sleep. It's not just a nighttime friend, though. It also helps to ease skin irritations, proving its versatility. Chamomile is indeed nature's tranquilizer. These plants are just a glimpse of nature's pharmacy. The benefits of aloe vera, peppermint, and chamomile are vast, complementing traditional medicine beautifully. There's a world of medicinal plants waiting to be discovered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening content.